today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Phantom app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here above your name, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to enter with you to this list here. So then you click here on preferences, just click on it here. Then you click here on preferred Bitcoin address. You come here to Taproot here, click in this sign or this color like you see. So then you just switch into disable video here. So like you see here, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean to report disable with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.